Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of off-road gear with what we believe is the best four-wheeler winch out there. The TYT 3,000 pounds ATV Winch. Whether you're pulling your ATV, UTV, or any small vehicle out of a tough spot, this winch promises to make the job easy and efficient. First off, let's talk about the heart of the winch, the motor. This winch is equipped with a powerful 1 HP pure copper permanent magnet motor that provides excellent high-temperature resistance and consistent power. The motor ensures that this winch can handle up to 3,000 pounds of pulling force, making it perfect for all your off-road recovery needs. The design is incredibly user-friendly and versatile. It has a 3-stage planetary gear system, with a gear ratio of 138:1. This setup not only delivers more torque but also ensures smoother operation. Whether you're pulling your vehicle up a steep incline or out of mud, you'll appreciate the precision and control the TYT winch provides. Another standout feature is the winch's control options. It comes with both a wireless remote and a wired controller, making it super easy to operate from a distance. The wireless remote has a 50-foot range, allowing you to control the winch from a safe distance without having to get too close to the action. The wired controller, on the other hand, gives you that extra security when you need to be in direct contact with your equipment. This winch comes with a 32-foot synthetic rope, which is not only strong but lightweight and easy to handle. The synthetic rope is less prone to damage than steel cables and provides better safety, ensuring you can get the job done without worrying about rust or wear. Plus, the included fairlead helps to reduce friction and ensure the rope runs smoothly as you pull. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its standard body and mounting plate sizes. It fits most ATV and UTV mounting brackets, so whether you're a seasoned off-roader or a weekend warrior, setting up this winch will be quick and hassle-free. With its IP67 waterproof rating, the TYT 3,000 pounds ATV winch is built to endure the harshest weather conditions, so you can trust it to perform whether it's raining, snowing, or muddy. This rugged durability ensures that no matter where your adventures take you, your winch will be ready when you need it most. So, if you're looking for a winch that offers both power and versatility, the TYT 3,000 pounds ATV winch is the perfect tool to add to your off-road gear collection. It combines high-quality materials, a strong motor, and efficient control to ensure you get the job done with ease and reliability. That's it for today's review on the TYT 3,000 pounds ATV winch. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Let us know in the comments if you've had the chance to use this winch and how it's performed in your off-road adventures. Until next time, stay safe and happy off-roading.